Pre-completion. Form of transfer deed and formalities for execution. Most practitioners acting in a purchase send the draft transfer to the seller's solicitor, along with a marked up draft of the sale contract. This is to avoid any disputes post-exchange. Although there is a mechanism provided to deal with these in a sale contract, it would still be time-consuming and costly. In addition, by the time the transaction gets to exchange, the parties will generally be at their wits' end, having, potentially unreasonably, expected to have completed much earlier, and may not want to provide any significant space of time between exchange and completion. An application to change the register is made using Form AP1. AP1 is always used for dispositions of registered land, such as a sale of registered whole, a sale of part out of registered title, a lease granted out of registered title, the assignment of a registered leasehold title, etc. In all cases, the transfer deed will be in one of the forms set out in the Land Registration Rules 2003, and in most cases will either be in Form TR1 if the sale is a transfer of a whole title, or TP1 if the sale is a transfer of part of a title. These forms look deceptively simple, but great care must be taken in the drafting, particularly in the case of a transfer of part, where appropriate rights must be granted and reserved, as well as the required covenants being given and taken. The transfer deed will be executed as a deed. This means that the provision of the Law of Property Miscellaneous Provisions Act 1989 must be complied with. The document must state that it is a deed and is executed as such, and should be executed by the party signing it in the presence of a witness, who should attest the signature by also signing and printing their own name and address on the document.